13 hours. In the desert. No plan. Just a backpack. We're midway to Asia, and the clock is officially ticking from world-class suites to a world-class wonder. Will we make the connection? Or is this layover a mistake? Hit subscribe for more. Every sub helps me keep these vlogs going. This is it, point of no return. We're trading Barcelona for the chaos of Asia. But first, we have to survive the desert. Before we talk money, look at this. Etihad isn't just a flight. It's a gateway. From New York to Sydney, they've basically mapped out the entire world. But we're here for one specific route, the bridge to Malaysia. Now, let's talk numbers. We paid €286.99 per person for this entire experience. A quick 13-hour stop in the desert. And then the long haul to Malaysia. It's a lot of miles for one ticket. But before we hit Malaysia, we have to survive the flight. My strategy? Old school Angry Birds. Honestly, it's the only way to make 7 hours fly by. But here's something you don't see on every airline. Mecca pointer built right into the flight path. The screen displays the live direction to Mecca for passengers. Before the food arrives, let's see what Etihad gives you for the long haul. Headphones? Check. But the real survival tools are in this tiny bag. Eye mask essential. Check. But then, lavender hand cream. Honestly, I can't stand the smell of lavender. If the whole cabin starts smelling like this, we're in trouble. But freebie is a freebie. And finally, the earplugs. My only way to block out the world for the next hours. To top it off, they gave us a pillow and this super soft blanket. It's actually surprisingly cozy in here. I'm sorry, I missed the full plane tour, but I was just trying to survive my flight anxiety. Turns out I had nothing to worry about. Everything feels brand new, super clean, and way more spacious than I expected. I went on the website before the flight and requested a special meal. We got this pasta with pesto and tomato sauce. It was super fresh, plus a side of quinoa with beets and carrots. And even a fresh fruit cup to keep it light. While we were finishing our second round of pasta, I checked the map. It's wild to see the world shrinking beneath you. Take a look at that screen. We're deep over the Tyrrhenian Basin. The Tyrrhenian Basin is the deepest part of the Tyrrhenian Sea, filled with massive underwater volcanoes. Watching Europe disappear in the rearview mirror, it's a strange feeling. No more what-ifs. Next time my feet touch solid ground, I'll be on a completely different continent. Long way, but definitely worth it. Zayed International Airport. And it feels like a movie set. It's brand new, it's massive. They actually filmed Mission Impossible and Sonic 2 right here. But we aren't staying here. We have a city to explore. Here's a pro tip. Don't overpay for a taxi. Head inside the terminal and grab a bus ticket. It's only 10 Polish money, that's about €248 per person. For the price of a coffee, you get a 26-minute ride straight to the heart of Abu Dhabi. So what do you actually do with 13 hours in Abu Dhabi? First stop, the Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque. You've seen it in photos, but standing here? Tea's on a completely different level. Before you even step inside, you have to realize the level of luxury we're talking about. This place holds the world record for the largest hand-knotted carpet. It took 1,200 people 2 years to finish it. And chandeliers made with millions of Swarovski crystals. Could think a place like this would cost a fortune to visit. But here's the crazy part. I am completely free. You just need to fill out a digital form online to get your QR code. Without that code, you're not getting past the gate. Now listen closely, because I don't want you to lose the money. If you look on Klook or Get Your Guide, you'll see tickets for the mosque. Those are usually for guided tours or transport. They're fine if you want a private guide, but the entry itself? Always $0. Just get your official QR code, follow the dress code, and keep your money for what matters most. Before you even think about the marble and gold, you have to pass the ultimate test, the dress code. It's not a suggestion, it's a strict requirement. For women, that means wrists and ankles completely covered, nothing transparent, and a headscarf at all times. The dress code is a battlefield. If your pants are an inch too short or slightly see-through in the sun, you're out. Now the hands. No peace signs, no thumbs up, and 0 model poses. Even a V sign can get your photo deleted by security. They want total respect, not influencer vibes. The catch? You can only take photos in designated photo stops. Step 1 meter outside the line, and security will stop you instantly. Stay in the box, follow the rules, and you'll get the shot. Budget at least 90 minutes. Between the security gauntlet and the massive scale, this isn't a quick stop. It's an experience, so take your time. You don't rush art this expensive. We grabbed a taxi to the center, cost us about 25 dirhams. Spotted something cool. Even the delivery guys here use fast street bikes instead of scooters. Then we saw the hotel. A fish tank with water so green and murky you could barely see the fish. Total bad choice. But it was cheap, central, and only for one night. Now, the food. Super cheap, but honestly, it's insanely spicy. But no time to linger. We're back on the road heading to the airport for the next leg of the journey. 13 hours in the city? Mission accomplished. Everyone sells Abu Dhabi as this pristine luxury dream. Reality? It was gritty, dirty, and nothing like the photos. We're trading the fake aesthetic for the real chaos. Next stop, Kuala Lumpur. We survived the desert, now it's time for the jungle. The real adventure starts now.